Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. But anyway, so I'm here at Exeter High School. They're going to be having an event called Color Splash. And basically it is for the UN model. The UN club. Yes, here at the school, and them you know, a fundraiser so them can go to an event next year. No, my little brother actually there. You know, the older, tough, bad man looking brother. Okay. Good afternoon. Oh, hi. Hi, Miss Gray. I'm here. And then you have two of them people around here, so the baddest new artist them on the scene. Alright. So I have Shensi and Ramesh. Who want Shensi? Ramesh. So yeah, Shensi. Alright, yeah, let's see what it is about. Jeez. You have so much, you have so much customer service technique. Oh, go on.
For the vlog. You don't want it, look, okay.
I'll go, here he, thank you, here he, thank you. Thank you. Well, you know what this chat say? What him there chat say?
He must say no, no,
Sure.
Well, that's so you just move away with everything and get your compensation. Yeah, just you have some fans in the Roger. People them say they want to see more on the vlog. Yeah man, people them say they want to see more on the vlog. Yeah man, they want to comment and say, yeah man, your brother I'm cool man, do more videos with him. Alright, that's all you're getting. Oh, look at my twin sister over there with the gap. Say them my twin sister.
Me have gap too.
You have gap too? Alright, when I see it. Patty?
I don't know what is allergic, sir.
I distinctly asked for a pizza patty, okay?
Oh, sorry.
A pizza patty. You're going to one more hour for the pizza patty. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, so yeah, here Alex song. Yeah. Right now it's called Ochi.
Yeah, tough.
What do you think about it?
It's tough.
Use a different adjective.
It's bad.
Okay.
You are the one for me. Come take it off from me. On my mind you're running, yeah. When I'm wanting for somebody, put it on slow, girl you too rude. Dance if you want, but you know you off a nude. Come around, give me one show. Won't you come around? She said she come from Ochi, and she feeling lonely. She said she want console me.
Alright, Alex, you have a challenge. Okay, so you've seen the video going viral recently with the XLCR youth. It named was something about Braff for Braff.
A Braff, we are Braff, my friend. In association with old kid and a short, and you see me, man, well, okay.
So right now, I want you to promote one party, right? Promote one party. The party name, Sneakers and Jeans.
Sneakers and ready,
go. Ready, you have to promote the party. Energy.
Boom skills for you know say Alex Days representing for what? Sneakers and Jeans.
Boom.
December 17th.
Yeah.
Me, myself, Alex Days and Gila will be there.
Yeah.
You know say I'm big gallagher there.
Yeah.
Big liquor.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
Green piercings, tattoos, you don't know. Thing I got mad, thing I got epic.
Come on for a special performance from your boy Alex
You
and
see
your
me?
boy Gila.
Girl,
Sneakers and Jeans. Boom, boom. Braffins.
Bro.
You think you want to compete with that queen?
No.
You're not going to promote a party?
So guys, quick question. I'm allergic to soda.
No. Come on, Jay, go and promote one party.
Are you sure?
Yeah, one.
So
Anyone drinking themselves?
So fruit juice to be specific.
Yeah, fruit juice.
Of course, are you?
Slippers and Stocks, your party name Slippers and Stocks. Go on. You have to go promote it, Roger. Go on. No, you're not saying on the outside that inappropriate. You see the Braff for Braff video, you never said nothing wrong. Him there promote one big scale. One cake scale.
Red Russian!
Over the tickers, so you remember, she in a shot up shots at it in a phone.
the damn furnace. You hear me now? This is the last time.
Sweet and easy, she da back here, she said. Take away your woman and no party for, she said. So we ready for the traffic, she said. If you're young, lucky you for me. Never hear a girl say you're Jackie, she said.
Alright, so we never get to introduce them, brother here, but this is ALX and this is Gila. Who are you?
I am XLCR, a recording artist. I sing Ochi.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the song right now. And you can follow him, check out his channel, information going to be in the description.
Yeah.
And over here says who this?
The musician.
Gila, the composer.
Every girl knows so me have a reputation. To find the baddest wine of them will live in the nation. Make your body jump like it is a celebration. Girl, I had pass my phone and make me call the fire station. When you ripple, ripple, ripple. Girl, make you ripple, ripple, ripple. Make your body ripple, ripple, ripple.
Alright, so I'm going to put a little piece of theme song and him information going to be in the description as well. But him say him can play piano, so let me see if him better than what's my name, Popcorn. Ready? When the night Bomba toda. When the night has come and the and the moon
Yes, the moon
is the only thing
that
you see.
Woo! Yes.
Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. You know, it's not here though.
Oh,
we gotta go.
I'm just supposed to leave the
Yeah,
why you not trying to play?
Anyway, I have to go now.
Alright, Alex, run it quick, come on. We're run late. Alright, gotta go. Well, yeah, anyway, that is it for this Vlogmas episode. Yeah, so we'll come here
Follow
for
me at Popidon ENT.
yeah, we'll come here for host one UN Club walkathon event, and it go on good, you know, it was good to actually be around young people. And
thanks to Kimonica.
once a
Popidon ENT.
I'm a vice gone as usual, but yeah.
Do it for the Vlogmas, you
So
know.
Max cover.
Always watch my brother Vlogmas.
Alright,
Them a good
yeah.
night.
Cause we get chauffeured, dinner parties with the queen and then we roll some blunts. Ever feel safe when you par with us? If a man violate, I got the gun, them clutch. Come pretty girl, let me give you that bling. Then the ting-a-ling-a-ling like Shabba Ranking. Pull up on the block, tell everybody I'm king. Boss man moves, me not in a rampage.
Touch on the road with couple mad dogs. Pounds in a hand, England that dog. V8 rover the rims them broad. Easy for my neck, I kick like Lampard.